Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you. Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and I have for you an HKS SQV blow-off valve. HKS, of course, a famous performance and tuning company here in Japan. This is the HKS SQV blow-off valve on the flange for the S14 Silvier. So the flange here, vehicle specific for the S14 Silvier, the SQV blow-off valve, a universal blow-off valve, universal and adjustable. So the blow-off valve and the vehicle-specific flange. Moving on to some further photos. A close-up of the valve itself. As you can see, lots of little scratches and marks. The SQV, the smaller brother of the more famous super sequential blow-off valve. Mechanism and engineering the same, just the SQV is made from cast aluminum alloy, while the super SQV has an outside covering of billet aluminum. That being the only difference, the SQV being slightly smaller, but the theory behind them the same. A diaphragm fitted in this area here, boost pressure from below, inner manifold connected, vacuum connected to this little nipple here. So when the combination of the inner manifold vacuum pulling on the diaphragm and the boost pressure pushing on the diaphragm is enough to move the diaphragm back against the spring, then the piston that runs through here will be pulled back and allow the boost to squeeze sequentially in little bursts from the front of the valve. We'll run through some further photos from the other side, tidier on the other side. Again, a little rub mark there and some paint off it, but in good structurally sound condition, good working order. The nipple that goes to the inner manifold, the back section which contains the spring, the adjuster bolt and locking nut for adjusting the tension to the valve, and of course the trumpet here with the HKS logo on the top. From the front of the valve, you can see here that distinctive HKS SQV look. Sequential blow-off valve. This is a little piston that gets pulled back. When it gets pulled back, the boost squeezes around the outside of the little green piston here, giving that distinctive HKS SQV sound. So a HKS SQV sequential blow-off valve. From the back, we can see the adjuster position there. So the bolt, locking nut, and again the inner manifold nipple there. So a HKS SQV blow-off valve on the flange for the S14 SR20det engine vehicle, made in Japan, from Japan. Thank you. In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.